Top 7 beautiful places to visit in Sweden. Sweden travel video. Top 7 must-visit destinations in Sweden, where nature's wonders and cultural treasures collide. Nestled in Swedish Lapland, Abisko National Park is a winter wonderland beyond imagination. Escape to the Stockholm Archipelago, a collection of 30,000 stunning islands just outside the Swedish capital. Stockholm, the Venice of the North, seamlessly blends tradition and innovation. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Gamla Stan, admire world-class museums like the Vasa Museum, or enjoy trendy cafes and shops. On Sweden's west coast, Gothenburg charms visitors with its relaxed vibe, fresh seafood, and beautiful parks. Visby on Gotland Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a medieval charm like no other. Located in Jukkasjärvi, the Icehotel is a masterpiece carved entirely of ice and snow that melts and is rebuilt yearly. For adventure seekers, Kungsleden is a must. This iconic trail, stretching over 400 kilometers, takes you through pristine valleys, towering mountains, and shimmering lakes. Sweden is brimming with natural wonders and cultural gems waiting to be discovered. From the northern lights to medieval towns, every corner offers inspiration.